Century 5. Am I to be forever tormented by the demented offspring of my former work?
Landing pad activated.
Eagle's Nest, this is Griffin Station. Come in.
This is Eagle's Nest. Over.
Richtofen, is that you? When we didn't hear from you, we feared the worst.
Fear not, Dr. Groff. It is me, Edward. Any reports from the Giants suggesting my demise are erroneous. Meat for the Horde if I don't find more ammo! I will not mourn you! I probably shouldn't have drank that on an empty stomach. Calm down, Edward. Think. I must find a means to return the capsule to the Earth. Only then can the necessary steps be taken to secure the future. If I am to acquire the bow, I must first feed the beast! Fear not. I will find a place to put this. As he had warned, it appears that Maxis is unable to contact me at this time. No matter. If our plan is to succeed, then I must continue in earnest. Stay back, Underfield! Your hands, so filthy! I must cleanse myself! future without bullets is not a future I wish to see. Time to break their legs, and arms, and faces. And time to break everything, I suppose.
Eagle's Nest, this is Griffin Station. We have an update. Over.
Dr. Grove, have you made any progress?
Yeah, Doctor. Machine is ready and awaiting the conduit.
Very good. I will proceed with Operation Shield and join you shortly.
Security Protocol 935.
Today you go hungry. One day, I really hope I get to stop all the killing and the maiming. No, I'm just kidding.
Richtofen, the security feeds are somewhat alarming. What on earth is going on down there?
It seems the area's no longer secure. We must learn all the secrets of this castle.
Landing pad activated.
Sam! Other pieces must exist. I will be careful not to overlook anything. Once again, my brethren sought to manipulate powers far beyond their control. What kind of doctor would prescribe candy? Do you actually believe you can simply surround the doctor? There's nothing so futile as futility itself. by bit, piece by piece, I will bring order to the universe. There are some things I cannot be shielded from.
The daughter! We'll see you shortly! The dragon's hunger is not yet satisfied! Kill this doctor so easily!
Now that's over, something else can begin. I don't know if I should swallow it or spit it out.
Richtofen, I'm observing your current actions. I must confess to being alarmed. Would you care to explain exactly what you are doing in the company of our enemies? Richtofen? Richtofen!
I can taste it in my nostrils.
115.
I know not what you are, but perhaps I will do as you ask. My arrow's end shall also be yours. It's clever. Bullets. How did this happen? I was being careful. The arrow will find its mark. It always does. with me is to invite your own doom. I have much to do. You are merely an inconvenience.
Return that which is scattered.
Do not try to trick me. That would be unwise. I am a doctor. That was more than an injection. This room belonged to Maxis. He was the first among us to be... Never mind. I may be surrounded, but that alone will not be enough to defeat me. My arrow's end shall also be yours. You will pay the price for your insolence. We all will.
Teleportation successful.
The fate of the world rests on what happens on the moon. I must prevent the inevitable. Always remember to close your mouth when airborne. You never know what might fly by.
Initiating 115 future process. The broken souls must be sacrificed in my honor.
You want them alive? Whatever for? You know what? Never mind. I think I already know.
Yes, it's coming for you! Once again!
I have seen enough riddles for many lifetimes. I barely even think about aiming. I remember this room. I remember Samantha. She is no longer here. I have the bow. What is next? What is next? As long as I suffer, you suffer with me. There can be no respite from that.
Initiating 115 process.
The blood sacrifices will now resume. Insta-kill! What is next? What is next? Next ammo! Here we go again. Again! Yes!
Initiating 115 process.
Are these machines following me through time and space? Perhaps some undead meat will ease your hunger! Much like the box, machines appear to follow us wherever we go.
The creature's hunger appears unlimited. This is not my destiny! We must secure more ammunition! Fetch me their soul! The hunt is on!
Tesla coil powering up.
I miss the days when I myself owned instruments of torture. Who am I kidding? I have plenty. This is mine. It has to be. I'm holding it.
Make no mistake, this creature is a formidable ally!
A toast. A toast to success.
The creature's hunger appears unlimited! So it begins, so it ends.
Broken, shattered, and scattered. This is my life.
I can only assume that you intend to procure Group 935's research for your own twisted goals. Know this, my old friend. I will take whatever steps are necessary to ensure that you never leave the castle alive.
Its appetite is voracious. The afraid fool would dare to touch me. Oh, yes, I suppose you fit the bill.
momentary lapse in concentration. Nothing more. You will not stand in the way of my plans. No one will. We should be grateful to our allies, however cruel and unusual they may be. Why not? What could possibly go wrong? Give me the strength to do what must be done. I pray that I never again have to feel their fetid touch. Perhaps some undead meat will ease your hunger! Give me the strength to carry on. The creature's hunger appears unlimited. What I do is too important to entertain the idea of failure. Double points! I actually have a lot of money stashed away. I just can't get to it right now. I take no joy in watching your agonizing death. Don't you believe me? The stench of death hangs heavy in the air. You are all beneath me. The swarm shows no mercy, nor should it. The creatures live for the feast! Their screams will echo long after they are gone. Insta-kill! I know how it feels to be punched in the face. I've had a lot of experience. We should be grateful to our allies, however cruel and unusual they may be.
Initiating 115.
I enjoy watching them suffer. I've seen many monkeys die in battle. It never gets easier.
Ah, the Panzer Soldat, of course. The creature's hunger appears unlimited.
Tesla coil powering up.
Hello? Starting up a trap. Don't anyone wander into it by mistake.
This is how it always ends for your kind. The flames of damnation engulf the Horde! Nine! Emergency! The swarm shows no mercy! Nor should it.
With enough components, perhaps I may construct something useful.
Teleportation successful.
Control of the machine is but one tiny step in a much longer journey.
Make no mistake, this creature is a formidable ally. I know my future. You barely feature. The creatures live for the feast!
Standing pad activated. Warning. Rocket test beginning. Engineering. Doors closing.
Of course. The test is about to begin.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
The swarm shows no mercy!
Initiating
Nor should
rocket
it.
test. Test complete.
The creatures live for the feast!
Oh, this is going to be fun. Or deadly. One of the two. Perhaps one day the others will come to understand the sacrifices I've made for them. Perhaps not.
Go bury yourself! I refuse to join you in death! You bark no more! Begone, foul canine!
I hear you, and I know who you are.
Initiating 115 fusion pulse.
I have nothing of value, but for my mortal soul.
Why can I not just have what I want? I break rules all the time. The touching one still stands, however.
You know, I am actually very thirsty indeed.
Ah, that one hurt! Teensy bit. I must find myself a more advantageous position on the battlefield.
You are where you belong! Face down in the dirt.
Yeah! Silence their screams! The incessant screams! They grow ever louder! Scream all you want. It will not do you any good. I have more important things to do than be surrounded. Make no mistake, this creature is a formidable ally. One day they will tell stories of my bravery.
But defensive weapons that can also be used for offense.
I must find ammo if I am to continue my work. The teeth seem perfectly evolved for what it's doing, actually. The mechanical creature has returned once more!
I spent many happy nights here, working. No time to dwell. We must continue our work.
I don't just laugh in the face of adversity. I kill it. If I had time, I would enjoy dissecting this specimen. You are not the first. You will not be the last.
Kaboom.
Someone up there likes me.
There are few things more useful to us than powerful weapons. This we never forget.
Tesla array initializing.
The world is one I wish never to return to. I refuse to submit. Double points. I must act quickly. Many barriers stand between us and success. Come closer. I dare you. Repay the order. What I do is too important to entertain the idea of failure. I have more important things to do than be surrounded. I enjoy watching them suffer. To invite your own doom. You want me to be grateful? Haven't I done enough for you already? Consume their flesh. Leave nothing behind. Okay, it's not the worst thing I've had in my mouth. The creatures live for the feast! Any doctor knows a drink now and then is good for you. You will not stand in the way of attack. No one will. Consume their flesh. Leave nothing behind. Oh, I was looking for that. I feel a little tingly. Perhaps some undead meat will ease your hunger. Give me the strength to do what must be done. I don't just laugh in the face of adversity. I kill it. This demonic arrow does not come without a price. Fortunately, it is one I have already paid. I must find myself a more advantageous position for the battlefield. Come closer.
Insta-kill! This will not end well for most of them. It's good.
Here is the ammo.
Teeth seem perfectly evolved for what it's doing, actually.
You will pay the price for your insolence.
We all will.
I feel as though I am exposing myself to unnecessary risk. We should be grateful to our allies, however cool and unusual they may be. This demonic arrow does not come without a price. Fortunately, it is one I have already paid. I am not your prey. Perhaps some undead meat will ease your hunger. 999! Emergency!
Much like the box, machines appear to follow us wherever we go.
Filthy! I must cleanse myself!
Could there be varieties of gum we have yet to discover?
Creatures live for the feast! If I had my medical bag, your assistance would not have been required.